This video is for informational purposes only. Working on vehicles can be dangerous. Always use proper safety precautions. Make sure the hood is securely supported and consider having a second person help you. I am not responsible for any injuries, damages, or losses that may result from attempting the repairs shown. Perform all repairs at your own risk. As you can see, the hood alignment on my car is pretty bad. The gap on the driver's side is way too big. And the hood itself is sitting too far forward. Over on the passenger side, it's a little better, but you can still see the hood is pushed too far forward there too. The following components can only be adjusted minimally: the hood, the front fenders, the hood hinges. Inspect the structural body for damage or misalignment. Refer to alignment checking in frame and underbody. It says to loosen the hood hinge to body bolt screws, but I tried that and it did not work. Instead, I loosened the hood hinge bracket to hood screws, and that gives you a good enough amount of play to position the hood. I'm just going to pull the latch out so I don't have to pop the hood from inside the car every time I make an adjustment.
Alright, now with the hood struts out of the way, I come over here, loosen these two bolts where it connects to the hood. And let's iron it up.